Today we are talking about Forex. The last time I spoke about major skills that you must learn in 2024, but today I want to talk about Forex trading. There are a lot of people that want to enter into Forex trading but are really scared. They feel overwhelmed about the term Forex, and then I'm just here to clarify it so that you can have the skill or go in for the skill for Forex trading. A lot of people are learning it, a lot of people are faking it, a lot of people are into it, but then I am here to make it simple for you so that you understand that Forex trading is nothing like robotic science or let's say rocket science. No, you just need to dedicate the time to it, understand few principles and few techniques that you will need to understand, and then practice more. You become perfect. The difference between Forex trading and crypto trading, okay? Cryptocurrency is different from Forex. So Forex is just foreign exchange. And so when you talk about Forex, the next thing you must think about is a broker. The broker is the one that helps you in trading. So normally, as of now, the broker that I have used before and I can say or talk about them is XNex. Is the number one trading broker that a lot of people have come to know in Ghana here. And so many people are going to XNex as their broker. There are a lot of brokers that I just can't recommend any of them to you, but then XNex is the one that I have used specifically. So I'm not saying that go for XNex. You can research and then get for yourself any broker you want. And so aside the broker, you must also understand technical analysis and also psychological stuff. You must be psychologically sound in order to enter into Forex. So these are things that plays in Forex trading. These are just basics. I'm not talking about the advanced techniques that you need. There are a lot of advanced techniques that you need to master in order to enter into trading. You need to get your signals and all that, checking of the charts, the candlesticks and all that. They are all inclusive to become a better trader. But I'm just giving you the basics info so that you enter into trading. You enter into Forex trading, sorry. So you just need to get your broker, get understanding about your technical analysis and your fundamental analysis, and then just practice. You practice with the platform which allows you to trade, which is the MetaTrader 4 or the MetaTrader 5. So you can choose any of them, which one you want to use in trading. So you can choose to take the MetaTrader 5 or the MetaTrader 4 based on your own research how you want to use it for. But then I use the MetaTrader 5, so you can also use any of them. And so someone will ask, how much do you need in order to start Forex trading? A lot of people exaggerate the amount of money you need. Sometimes somebody is a Forex trader and the amount of money the person is trading on the Forex is just maybe $20 or $30. You don't need a huge amount of money to start Forex. You with a little of $50, you can even start trading. And if you are making $10 a day or maybe $5 a day, I think it's good. It's okay. A lot of people want to make $5 billion a day, which is not sound. It doesn't click. So you must start small. As your financial growth, you want to get somewhere, you must start small. Starting small is the key. You have to start small. So you can start with $20. Just get a broker, sign up to the broker, go through the necessary requirements that you need to be verified or validated on the broker platform. Get your MetaTrader, and also I didn't talk about this. Where you do your analysis and everything on the platform is a trading view. You need to get your trading view where you need to check your charts and everything. Look at the trade And also you can practice with a demo account on a broker account. You can practice with you practice trading with a demo account on your broker platform where you actually signed up for the broker platform. So it's just simple. You can start it now. Take the skill serious. Practice with a demo account. Practice continuous. Every day you are checking signals. You are checking trade signals. You are checking candlesticks. The more you practice, the more you get better at trading. You don't become a better trader in just 5 days or in just 1 week. You don't become a better trader. The more you practice, the more you keep on trading, the more you keep on trading, you become a better trader. So what are you looking for? Just try and start up. Just try and enter into the game. Don't procrastinate. You say, oh, I'll start today, I'll start tomorrow. You are wasting time. Just start it. Enter into it. Practice. The more you're practicing, the more you are getting a hands-on skill, and then you build gradually. And you in no time you become a good trader. So as I spoke about it, it's one of the major skills you have to learn in 2024. And so a lot of people have heard about it, but they feel scared to enter into forex trading. And I told you, you don't need $5 billion to start trading. You don't need $6 million to start trading. You just need as little as $20 to start trading. You just need $20 or less or more based on the broker you choose. So just start it. And then see your financial whatever you want to see in your finances grow. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you, and I hope you're going to take my advice and start it now and stop procrastinating that you are going to enter into forex by next year. The year is already gone. Start it now. Yes, you start it now. Yeah, so subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know your feedbacks on my comment section and I'll respond to you. See ya.